Computer scientist Alan Kay once said, "People who are really serious about software should design their own hardware." And that remains true today as Apple, Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, and even Facebook are customizing their own hardware to optimize performance and provide better system outcomes. Pure Storage also subscribes to that original prediction with Purity, our storage operating system custom designed to run on our FlashArray and FlashBlade storage endpoints. Pure was founded in 2009 with a mission to disrupt the enterprise storage market. And while our intention back then was to invent an all-flash solution with no spinning disks, we also worked equally as hard on building a storage operating system that uniquely took advantage of the hardware we invented. That storage operating system was Purity, a robust and intuitive environment that is optimized to work with our controllers and direct flash modules to deliver enterprise data services at any scale for any data center workload. We also created it to eliminate some unnecessary configuration overhead that legacy storage vendors had carried along with their flagship solutions that had been created in the 80s and the 90s. Let's take a closer look to see what I mean. Purity boasts an intuitive GUI that automates many of the foundational tasks legacy storage vendors still expect storage admins to deal with. For instance, creating a storage volume is accomplished in a few clicks on FlashArray without needing to configure RAID or disk groups. This is because Purity sees all of the system's direct flash modules as a global resource pool and uses real-time performance analysis of the array's write groups to determine where to place the volume. This automation eliminates the need to plan for storage media assignments and hot spares. And with a few more clicks, that volume can be delivered to upstream hosts without dealing with complicated LUN masking or zoning. This streamlining lowers the risk of misconfigurations and frees up admin time to focus on improving other data center services for the business. Purity is also consistent in execution between FlashArray and FlashBlade. We know modern storage managers can wear several hats in the data center, and inconsistent experiences between products can cause frustration and delays in delivering storage to workloads. With Purity, there's no need to learn two different GUIs or disparate system management nuances. How you work with FlashArray is the same as you do with FlashBlade. Purity is also designed for data center integration and workflow automations. Its architecture subscribes to an API-first design principle, which means any management function is created as an API before it appears in the GUI console. These APIs are not just leveraged for how the different products in our own platform interact, but also expand on how many of our functions can be automated. Pure believes one of the keys to an efficient data center is our platform's ability to adapt to any IT operations workflows and not disrupt as separate silos that need special treatment. We've also taken our API strategy and extended it to fleet-wide operations. Pure Fusion can execute API functions across your entire fleet of Pure Storage endpoints from a single spot. This reduces larger automations to the fewest amount of moving parts possible. Purity's value extends beyond just its usability and streamlined integration capabilities. Software and hardware upgrades are non-disruptive. This means everything from applying software updates and patches to refreshing controllers and DFMs don't require array outages or even workloads to be taken offline. Our non-disruptive upgrades lower the risk of missing maintenance windows or dealing with long-term outages. Additionally, all enterprise features are included with Purity and are continually improving. These include industry-leading deduplication and compression that maximizes your hardware TCO, async and synchronous replication, secure multi-tenancy and quality of service controls to prevent noisy neighbor workloads from saturating hardware resources, always-on data at rest encryption to ensure your data stays secure, and safe mode indelible snapshots for cyber resiliency. Thanks a lot for taking the time to get to know Purity and how it powers our FlashArray and FlashBlade storage endpoints. Ready to dive in a little deeper? www.purestorage.com is the place to go. And if you want to see more demo videos like this one, head on over to Pure 360's page at www.purestorage.com/demos.